And finally, here is the explanation of the actual journals themselves. This will take a little bit longer in the tour. I want to make sure you understand how they all work. This is something that's yours. It will be yours, and I can see it, and I can see the history of it. So when you add and subtract from it, I'll be able to tell when you do that and at what time you did that. So we want to keep on top of things each week because this is your journal for the rest of the 2 terms. So it'll just be one exclusive continuation of each week's journal entry and explanation. So if we look at the slides, we have the opening piece. You can put your name here and make the change there. Then there's a section about you. I would like you to drop your picture in here as well as add some text about who you are and what you hope to achieve. We've done some work on the goals for volunteering. You can add some of that in there and talk a little bit about where you're going to be. Then becomes the more important things. Here are the daily volunteer journal minutes. Every time you volunteer, whether it's 4 times a week, 3 times a week, 2 times a week, or 1 time a week, put the date and the minutes that you volunteer. Again, this is something that I can go back in history, so please keep track of it each week and add the date and the minutes. This will keep track that we want to be in that 80 to 95 percentile target of 280 minutes a week in a 4-day or 5-day week. There's room enough for term 1 and term 2. Okay, then we have our first journal. This will not be due until the week of the 13th. So let's do it at the end of that week. I'm sorry, it won't be due to the week after the 13th because you don't have to start volunteering there. So we'll talk about when this is due. But this is a basic journal entry. There's 2 slides to this. You can see the 2 boxes up here for the slides, and it talks about safety and belonging. We've talked about that in class already, and it says explain your volunteer site, specifically what you are doing to help contribute to the site. You put your text here, add your pictures here, and you know that there's 2 boxes here, so you have 1 more slide to do for Journal 1. And we get to Journal 1. It talks about how are you creating a sense of safety and belonging at your placement. So you include specific examples. So you respond to that text here, and then you're done. And then I'll show you in one more video how to submit that each week. It's simply going to be going to Share, open the shared settings, change this. It will hopefully be Hopkins Public Schools. I'll be an owner and you'll be an owner. Copy the link, close it up, and then you'll paste the link into the Canvas assignment. That will be the sign that tells me, hey, I did my journal week 1, it's done, please grade it, and we'll move on to week 2. Just looking ahead, Journal 2 has some more information and some links to look at. Again, 2 boxes to look at. 1, 2. Then we have Journal 3. Notice this one has 3 slides to do because you have some more things to look at. 2, 3, Journal 4, and so on. We'll keep going through that each week. You'll have a journal piece to look at, and this is set up to be all of your journal entries for term 1 and term 2. So when you first open this up, we're going back to the top. First thing you want to do is fill out your About Me, including your name, put some information about you. Please put your picture in here, okay? And then the second most important thing is the minutes that you volunteer each day, and then the weekly lessons. You can go back and look at this anytime you need to remember that each Friday you'll have a journal entry for that week. Thanks.